Hey buddies, how are you all? Welcome to Brahma Writings. Today I am here to discuss about Spark Repartition. It is one of the important topic in big data. When you apply Spark Repartition, we can increase the number of partitions. We can also decrease the number of partitions based on the requirement. Before getting into the topic, I just want to tell you something about data skew. It's a problematic situation where this data skew leads to overall Spark job performance degradation. So we must deal better with data skew to get rid of it as soon as possible when it happens. So one more time, I just want to tell you. So the data skew happens when the data within the partitions is not evenly distributed. So repartition is the technique where we can increase the number of partitions and decrease the partitions. Using this, we can redistribute the data to improve the overall Spark job performance. So let's see how we are going to do this. So here I am making use of Google Colab. It's an cloud IDE, and here I am installing PySpark using pip install PySpark. So once the installation is completed, I'm here starting importing one Spark session. So here I'm creating one Spark session with the app name, whatever you want. So now I have uploaded the file, CSV file, whatever the required file, right? You can use your own CSV. I have uh, uploaded my own file here, and here is the file. So from here I can take the path and I can create one data foundation. Let's see how I'm going to create this spark.csv. So before this, I'm going to keep the file path outside. So here I can directly call that path and factory of the true, and I can make use of input screener is equal to true. Okay, let's see if data frame are created. Now we can see the data. So there is data. Now let me see if this particular data frame is having partitions. There is only one partition here. Now I'm gonna uh, make use of repartition option to increase the number of partitions. Let's see. So I'm going to create new DF, new data frame, repartition. So here I'm giving 4. Okay, and I'm going to make use of this option to verify if number of partitions are increased or not. Okay, see, understand it properly. Now I am making use of repartition. If you put your mouse here, you will come to know what is happening here, but I will tell you. Repartition is the option where we can increase or decrease the existing partition numbers, okay, to make sure the data is evenly distributed among the partitions so that we can avoid data skew kind of issues to improve the overall Spark job performance. So here I am creating a new DF using our data frame. here I have given 4, so it should create 4 new partitions for me. Okay, using this one it should create 4 now. Let's see what are the number of partitions now. 4. Okay, now there is one more technique. Now I'm gonna create one more df, that is new data frame 1. I'm going to make use of this old one. Now the partition I'm going to give 5, and I'm going to take one particular column actually. So before that you should know what are the columns here, right? So using this we should come to know. So there are many columns, so I'm going to make use of state. Okay, now let me make use of this. I can also write, but it's there already. So now here I'm creating one new data frame using the very old existing data frame. Here I'm going to create 5 new partitions based on column. This is the important one for this. Okay, based on the column. Here I'm partitioning the existing data frame based on one particular column, and the number of partitions are 5. Okay, let me execute this. See, number of partitions are 5. Now I can also do one more thing. Now I'm going to use only now I'm going to departition the existing data frame by just a column. Okay, for this I can simply copy this entire code and paste here. Now I'm going to remove the count, and let me run this. It should give 1. So I'm just repartitioning with one particular column, but I'm not increasing the number of partitions. Hope you are getting it correct. Okay, now once you are done with this repartition, right, you need to rewrite the data, right? So for this I'm going to make use of this, and I can remove this and give my name Brahma. So here you need to know, if you give override, if there is any existing file whatever in the destination, it will automatically overwrite. Okay, if you give append, it will append to the existing one. Okay, here I'm giving header is equal to 2. Let me write it. So if I refresh here, the file should come here. Oh yeah, here is the file. So if I double click here, this is the partition, and it is having the data. Okay, this is how we make use of repartition option in Spark to increase or decrease the number of partitions, to make sure the data is distributed among the partitions evenly, to improve overall the Spark job performance. Hope you got it. Okay. Uh, in our next video, we are going to discuss about policy. Okay. Policy also helps us to increase, decrease the or adjust the data within the partitions. So if you make use of policy, it won't shuffle the data, but repartition will shuffle the data. But sometimes we cannot avoid things actually. So mostly people prefer policy, but we also use a repartition based on the requirement. Okay, hope you got it. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is all about repartition, and have a good day.